Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann Wallace. I am a real estate agent in the island of Jamaica, and today I'm bringing to you this cozy yet nicely located townhouse for rent off Trafalgar Road. It's on 5 Worthington Avenue. Here are the specs for the property. Remember to subscribe and let's jump straight into it. So when you take a right at S Foods, which is a supermarket franchise owned by Spanish Court Hotel, you're going to continue down Worthington Avenue to number 5 and you'll find this complex. Now the complex is not, it doesn't have a lot of units, so it's very private, very small, and so you have a lot of peace and quiet. This is your kitchen area. As you can see, the kitchen area is a small space, not too small, not too big. However, it's workable in that the appliances that is currently there, like the stove for example, is huge, and your fridge also has space to go there. I wouldn't recommend a double door fridge because of the space, but if you have like a single door fridge, that can work. The cabinets have glass shelving, glass doors, and I think the white in the cabinets tie in nicely with the backdrop as well as the countertops. Here you have blinds for your windows. I know it's tradition on this channel to have double sink properties, but today we have a single sink, and your fridge would go right here where I'm filming at the moment. Now the good thing about this property is, even though the space is on the smaller side, they were very creative with certain stuff, and I'll show you why. Number one is the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom is tucked away nicely. I didn't even notice it until I was filming. There's a foldable door that keeps it hidden, and in there you have your mirror, your sink, your toilet, standard stuff for a guest bathroom, so your guests can use this when they are visiting you. And look, boom, the door, I wouldn't even have known that there was a bathroom there. I honestly wouldn't have known. And then if you want to have like a nice frontal chair here, the walls leading up to the staircase has storage, guys. It's so creative. This is the living room space. You have air conditioning. I know you see the AC. I know you see the AC. And you also have a ceiling fan, right? Now, if you're into warmer tones, warm lighting, I think this living room is perfect for you. For me, I like an in-between between natural light and warmer tones from the actual light. So this would do just fine for me. So you have space here for a full living room set. Even if you have a dining room set, and at that wall there at the back where the kitchen was, you can have some high seats. Now here under the stairs, again, creatively done. You can have your washer on the left, your dryer on the right, and then you can close the door and it wouldn't even be noticed that there was something there. The stairs, we currently have newspaper just because of the carpet like features on the steps. We don't want to get it dirty, of course. It was still showing the property and we have people in and out, so we keep that covered. But let's go upstairs and let's view the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So again, it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Both bedrooms have lovely views and lots of natural lighting, and there's even more storage upstairs as well. We have a linen closet here right beside the bathroom, which you can use for either cleaning supplies, toiletries, linen, and other stuff. This is bedroom number 1. It kind of has a light blue paint currently, but I'm sure with the permission of your landlord, you can change this. I like it because I think it matches the dark brown closet doors, so I would personally keep it this way. This is your view from the window, so you can see the main road, see some greenery, and again, lots of natural light. You have a ceiling fan as well, and a very nicely sized closet with overhead storage. Right, so let's close back this linen closet door and head into bedroom number 2, where we're gonna see what that view is like and what that space is like. So similar layout, dark colored closet doors, as well as an AC in this bedroom and a ceiling fan in this bedroom. So bedroom number 2 did not have air conditioning to my knowledge, and bedroom number 1 and downstairs in the living room has AC. This is what your ceiling fan looks like. There we go. And I like the wooden finish on the ceiling above. Comment below if that's something that you like. I currently have that in my room, and I think it's very nice. It takes away from feeling boxed in, so to speak. This is your closet space, and it has some shelves as well as overhead storage, right? And then this is what it looks like standing from the doorway. let's go ahead and take a look at your bathroom. Now your bathroom is, I would say, mid 2000s, right? You have your shower area, you have some shelving, toilet, and you have your sink. So a property like this is gonna be at least 5 minutes from New Kingston. I mean, as you step out of your yard and you drive down the road, boom, you're in New Kingston. And for those who don't know, New Kingston is the heart of all things commercial and corporate. So if you're somebody that's looking to be closer to work or just be closer to nightlife and city life, give me a call at 876-465-8811. Bye.